Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to make a data sheet of a company or of a organization. So this one is a data sheet of an organization of Global Services Association of Tenmate. In Excel sheet I'll show how to make it. So now I'm creating a new sheet. Okay, press again. And I'm going to the previous sheet. See, so the one column, two, three, four, five, six, 7 columns. I mean, total two, three, four, five, six, 7. Okay, now I'm going here, taking number, services association of Tenmet. Okay, reset, done. This one is the company name. Now other things I'm copy from the sheet 1, selecting the serial number, Control C, going to the sheet, Control V. Okay, then going to the sheet 1, selecting the numbers, the members, Control C, sheet, Control V, and I have to increase the cell up to here. Then click on this cell and selecting this one, Control C, going to the sheet, Control V, and I have to increase also up to here, selecting this one, going to the sheet 1, total amount, only total amount is selecting, Control C, going to the sheet, Control V, and I have to increase this one. I'm taking the 12 months total, so selecting this one and drag it up to here. Now selecting this one, going to the sheet 1, and paid month is copy, Control C and Control V, and I have to increase also this cell and going here, and I will show the formula of here and here. So I am selecting only total paid amount, Control C, going here, Control V, and I am increasing the cell, going here, going to the sheet 1, selecting total dues, Control C, sheet 3 and Control V. Now done. So I'm selecting this one and going to the alignment, middle one. Okay, done. Then equal sign, click this fee per month and pay cross, the multiplication sign, and select this one, then enter. Now the paid amount is 5,000 of server alarm 5,000. Okay, then selecting this one and take this plus sign here and drag up to last one. Now see, here he has paid for 9 months, so his amount will be 4,500, and he paid 11 months, so his amount will be 5,500. So the total amount, how to calculate it? Equal sign, then first bracket, after that selecting this one and product sign, then this one, then uh, then minus, then again first bracket, selecting this one, then cross sign and selecting this one. Now bracket and enter. Now total dues of Surur Alam Faisal is 1,000. So drag here and up to last. Let's see. Here 0 is showing because he has paid 12 months. Obviously paid 12 months. That's why his amount is 6,000. So his due is 0. So now this one is done. I think got it everybody. How to make a data sheet of an I want to copy it, Control C, and I want to paste here. Paste a Control, and let's delete it. Sorry, Control X for cut. Selecting this one and Control D. Okay, done. Now everybody got it how to make a data sheet of a company or of an organization. If you think that you are benefited, subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share.